Good day, I'm Lorraine Mendez, and this is your JIS News for Friday, September 6. Ground was broken yesterday for a multipurpose facility at the South Camp Juvenile Correctional and Remand Center in St. Andrew. The multipurpose facility will expand educational and training opportunities offered to the wards by the Department of Correctional Services, the DCS. National Security State Minister Rudyard Spencer says the facility is set for completion this December.
We will address need for additional classrooms and vocational spaces for the young ladies. The design will be a 2,900 square feet building, which can accommodate 3 classrooms, an information technology room, and a cosmetology area.
He encouraged the wards and inmates to focus on their dreams and utilize all the resources in the penal system to chart a positive future for themselves. Construction of the multipurpose building is an activity of the project, A New Path, promoting a healthy environment and productive alternatives for juvenile remandees and offenders in Jamaica. It's being implemented by the General Secretariat of the Organization of American States in partnership with the Trust for the Americas. Financial support is provided by the United States Agency for International Development, USAID. 700 persons have gained employment through the opening of a new Ibex business process outsourcing office in New Kingston. This is the company's 3rd branch in Jamaica, with other locations in Portmore St. Catherine and downtown Kingston. In welcoming the new office on Wednesday, Commerce Minister Audley Shaw said employment within the BPO sector continued to grow and was almost at 40,000 persons.
We can achieve the next target of 50,000 and the next target of 100,000. Jamaicans just want an opportunity. They want to be inspired. They want to be trained. They will accept the training, and they will pursue excellence.
Ibex, which is headquartered in Washington, D.C. in the United States, is a leading provider of contact center services and BPO solutions. The company employs 4,500 persons at its 3 locations in the country. Government has provided 47 full tuition scholarships to needy students who started their Bachelor of Medicine or Bachelor of Surgery degrees at the University of the West Indies, Mona, this semester. The awards are valued at more than $177 million per annum for the next 5 years. Minister with responsibility for education, youth and information, Carl Samuda, made the announcement at a press conference on Thursday.
Applicants, of course, must be Jamaican nationals. Only applicants with matriculation qualifications in the 97th percentile will be considered.
The beneficiaries are required to maintain a grade point average of 2.8 in order to continue receiving the scholarship. They'll be bonded by the government for 5 years after completing their studies. Minister Samuda says only students who demonstrate the greatest need will be selected. These will include former beneficiaries of PATH and persons from inner city and poor rural communities. Already, 3 students have been selected for full scholarships. They are Shamari Collins, Kuwain Howell, and Rashawn Stewart. Still on education, Minister Carl Samuda has given the assurance that government is taking adequate steps to address the quota of teachers in schools. Minister Samuda says the measures include carrying out additional training as well as re-engaging retired teachers on short-term contracts.
We are busy training new teachers. 200 completed training. Some teachers took early retirement at 55 years of age, and now they are about 61. Now, it's not very hard to figure out why I would endorse the use of people at 61 in the educational system, especially if they are strong math teachers, English language sciences, and so on.
He commended the island's teachers for their commitment and determination to improving the education system. Mr. Samuda gave the assurance at Wednesday's post-cabinet press briefing. Jamaica has deployed 3 specialists to join the rapid needs assessment teams in the Bahamas to assist with recovery efforts in the wake of Hurricane Dorian. The team of specialists, who are environmental experts, left the island on Wednesday. This is in addition to the team that left the island yesterday for the ravaged neighboring country. 2 of the specialists are from the National Environment and Planning Agency, marine biologists Gabriel J. Watson and Donovan Sankey. The other team member is Leon Jarrett, Manager of Safety, Environment and Quality at the Petroleum Corporation of Jamaica. Local Government Minister Desmond McKenzie says the team was dispatched once weather conditions in the Bahamas permitted safe access to the islands. The Rapid Needs Assessment teams were organized by the Caribbean Disaster Emergency Management Agency, SIDEMA, before the hurricane struck. The team commenced work on the ground yesterday, especially in Abaco and Grand Bahama. And finally, the Office of Disaster Preparedness and Emergency Management OPM is coordinating an initiative to provide support to the impacted islands of the Bahamas. A statement from OPM yesterday outlined that Jamaica was the sub-regional focal point for the Northwestern Caribbean Group, which includes the Bahamas. Given the logistic challenges to moving supplies in a timely manner, OPM says that at this time, it's only accepting cash donations to assist with relief. Donations may be deposited to any branch of the National Commercial Bank. Account name, OPM Donation Account. Account number 212-387-304, Oxford Road Branch. Attach information for the Bahamas Relief Fund. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Lorraine Mendez. Thanks for watching.